Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of days, I've been letting you know that AMD has been on a roll with its driver updates, where first of all, driver version 26.6.2 broke on Windows 10. Then just a couple of days later, as I posted, AMD rolled out a hotfix driver, 26.6.3, which is essentially an emergency update to patch 26.6.2. And now, once again, just to let you know that AMD is now rolling out yet another graphics driver, version 26.6.4, which is now available for download, which includes two important fixes. Here we can see at the top, the first one is fixed issues, intermittent install issues seen when installing AMD software. Adrenaline Edition 26.6.2 on Windows 10 systems for Radeon RX 7000 series and above graphics products. So this first fix is for those of you who are still using Windows 10 and having trouble installing driver 26.6.2. And just take note that this first fix is coming from the recently released hotfix 26.6.3. So it's not really a new fix if you have already installed the hotfix driver. So just take note of that. And then the second fix is intermittent application crash may be observed in some games with AMD FSR upscaling 4.1 enabled on Radeon RX 7000 series graphics products. And these are two issues that have been plaguing users recently. And just take note, we have the known issues. You can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp if you want to have a look at that more in depth. And then here's the link to download the new driver 26.6.4, which I'll leave in the description for easy access and reference. So as mentioned, hopefully this driver sorts the issues out now once and for all, especially on Windows 10, because this has been a bit of an ongoing saga, and just posting to keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.